And we are back at the beach after Easter, and we're
This
with
time,
Dada.
recruited one more.
We recruited one more member. Oh, look at the sunrise.
Can I go into the water?
Yes, baby. Your glasses. Are you going to wear your goggles?
Yeah.
Wait lang. Let's show them. Grabe, ang ganda. It's so picturesque in person, guys. As in, walang sinabi tong video. Nakikita nyo sa video in person.
I saw a big fish.
Okay.
Where?
Good morning!
Good morning.
Rise and shine! And it really is a good morning because I'm in my morning. We just woke up at 5. So yesterday, Easter Sunday, it helped na, di ba sabi ko, usually I sleep mga 3 p.m. So in-extend namin, so si Dada, he went to do some deliveries for our food tray in Lamian. After that, down south kami. Post ko na yon. After that, Brumini Resort pa kami, which I haven't posted yet. And then pag uwi dito sa poblasyon, we went back to the beach. Doon kami banda. Saan tayo nung Dada? There, no? Doon kami nag-swim until mga 6 na siguro. We came back home mga 6 p.m. I had to do a little bit of work for 2 hours. By the time I got back to our bedroom, talagang plakda na ako. So, tulog. And then I woke up at 5. Yay! Si Dada natulog daw ng 10. Tapos ginising ko na sila pareho by 5. Sabi ko, rise and shine, this is it. If we weren't able to like follow through with one of my New Year's resolutions last January, Easter time is the next best time, at least for me, to parang restart those resolutions. One of which is, ayun, sleeping early, waking up early, doing the Philippine time zone, I hope, longer than before. And beyond that, I hope for good. So let's see, keeping my fingers crossed. Yun lang, we will try to do this morning beach time, our routine. Although baka dumating yung point na nakaka-bore na everyday na lang beach, everyday swim, diba? So we can bike, we can hike up in the mountains, visit the 2 properties we bought there. Ano pa ba? What else can we do, Dada? We can I'm parang thinking of other ways to do our morning routine. Hang out at different cafes and restos, have coffee, journal, meditate, find places here in Oslo or nearby we can go to or join ba, may mga parang retreats, mga meditation places or kung ano man. So yun yung bala kong gawin, something new in my life starting this year. Because though my life from my standards before seemed to be perfect now, charot. Kumbaga natupad na lahat ng mga pinapangarap ko nung unang panahon. It's now time to make other new, kahit mga simple wishes and dreams lang come true. May mga bigger plans pa, pero start muna tayo dun sa mga small para mas madaling ma-achieve. Anyway, yun lang. Good morning. Me and my madaldal self. Oh my God, there's a sea snake. Nasaan na?
Ayun.
Oh shit, Dada, you're so near it. Look around you, baby. Baka may snake around us. Uy, Dada, huwag mong lapitan.
It doesn't bite.
Natrap siya.
Ha?
Ba't siya
Is it
nandyan?
meant to be on land?
It's a reptile, so
Nasaan na? Oh my goodness. Papunta sa amin dito.
binigyan mo. Akala ko dead.
Hinahawakan nyo? Dinisturb nyo yung sleep. Galit yan. Oh my God. Ayoko na mag-swim. Saan na? Uy, Dada, wag mong lapitan.
But it's just so...
Oh shit, there's a sea snake more venomous than cobra. Get out
But
of
it
this
doesn't
way.
bite unless covered.
It's blue. It's
Banded.
bluish, no?
Ganda niya tingnan.
Oh goodness. Tazi.
Kasi ah.
Takot. Oh my God, si Dada, interesadong interesado. Damn. Saan ba siya pupunta? Ba't parang pinupuntahan niya ako?
Chocolate siya sa'yo.
Ma! Wala nang iba, baka mamaya tingin tayo ng tingin dito sa katabi pala natin, may tutuklaw na sa atin. So paano na tayo niyan?
Wow, mommy is so... Wow.
Ay, Dada, huwag ka lumapit.
This like it's like what is happening? Can you please get out of my way?